History of Berkshire Pontoon Boats, Nautical Craftsmanship since 2009. Berkshire Pontoon Boats, a testament to Forest River Marine's design prowess, embarked on its journey in 2009. Born out of Forest River, Inc., the world's largest recreational vehicle manufacturer, Berkshire quickly became synonymous with superior design, engineering, and manufacturing expertise. Forest River, Inc., founded in 1996, has grown into an industry giant, with 75 manufacturing facilities and 10,000 employees. Best Inventions, elevating the boating experience. Berkshire's commitment to offering more power, comfort, appeal, and choices to discerning boaters has propelled it to the forefront of pontoon innovation. Acquired by Berkshire Hathaway in 2005, Forest River Marine became part of a distinguished family of brands, including GEICO, Dairy Queen, and Benjamin Moore and Company. This acquisition empowered Berkshire to maintain industry leadership with annual sales reaching approximately $4.5 billion. Recent developments, sailing into a bright future. As a division of Forest River, Inc., Berkshire Pontoon Boats enjoys the financial stability granted by its association with Berkshire Hathaway. This stability, combined with a dedication to continual product improvement, ensures Berkshire Pontoon owners a lifetime of enjoyment on the water. The company remains focused on surpassing customer expectations through superior construction, quality components, and luxurious furnishings. Current status, recognized excellence in customer satisfaction. Forest River Marine, the driving force behind Berkshire, has earned acclaim from the National Marine Manufacturers Association (NMMA) with consecutive marine industry CSI awards. This recognition reflects Forest River Marine's unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction, setting an independently measured standard of excellence.